Vishal, yes, Vishal.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are.
First of all, good afternoon to all of you. Okay, and thanks for this opportunity. Believe me, I am a man of a traditional method, but when I came across the CA and Chat GPT, it really blew my mind. Okay, now I am going to share my screen. As we walk through this PPT, is my screen shared?
Yes.
As we walk through this PPT, we all gonna relate ourselves with this situation in anywhere in life. Okay, there are four stages of my PPT. First is problem, second is solution, third is how to create a profile, and fourth is impact. So stage one is the problem, a conversation between director and CA. Generally, director calls and he told to the CA, "Hello CA Aryan, we are planning to remove Mr. Vishal Kumar from the board, but we are not clear about the correct process. Can you guide us?" The CA replied, "Yes, this is a sensitive matter. Let me first check your company file to confirm the record. I will get you back so soon." Now the CA cuts the call and call the article. "Please bring me the company file of ABC Private Limited, the file number 024. Article, yes, sir. The file are all messed up right now. It may take some time. It is a normal situation happening in every CA firm. It takes normally 10 to 15 minutes to find the file. Sir, here is the file. The article find the file and present it to the CA, file number 024. Now the CA is in tension. Why? Because the file is all mingled up. The papers are here and there, up and down. It is not able to calculate, it is not able to locate the correct detail of the director, his DIN number, his address, his phone number, who is he, who he want to remove. There is a confusion on him. Oh no, the documents are all mingled. This will take hours to sort, and with so many pages, I can't even quickly identify Mr. Vishal Kumar detail. Now he's thinking, these files are a mess with so many clients. I can't even identify Abhishek Kumar quickly. And now he is realizing, wait, I should listen to my friend Vishal. He told me that with just one click, I can access the data. And with 3 clicks, I can keep all company records organized using ChatGPT. That is the concept behind all my creation and all what we have said. Word I forget what word we use. Now, how with one click he can access the ABC records? Here is the question. And let me show you how you can with just one click we gonna get all the records of ABC. As you can see, the Excel file is open. You just need to click on this link. Oh, wait a second. Oh, got it. Now I just write him what the list of director, because the director want to remove one way director, the list of director. As we can see in a given case, I don't provide him any about the company, what is the name of a company, what is everything, is already stored in it from the beginning. It takes all the data from the incorporation of the company till today, who are the directors. The Neha Kumari is the director, who is appointed on 3/4/14. Abhishek Kumar director, who we want to remove, and he is continuing, still continuing. Mr. Roy, an independent director who is appointed on 25/7/2025, and Nandan Mishra, who is appointed on 2/8/25, and their PAN number and their DIN number. If we store the data like his address and phone number, it will also show that. I do not have a time to complete that whole record. As you can see, director who are removed in the past also provided Vishal Kumar, who is removed in the past on 24/7/2017. He is also a first director. Kunal Gaurav, who is served from 24/7/17 to 23/22, the all the data. As you want to know who are the shareholders, I just write list of shareholders. I don't need to provide you the name of a company, nothing, but list of shareholders. Will provide list of shareholders with their respective percentage, their address, their PAN number, everything. Now I want to know the director comes shareholder, it will provide that data also. The Neha Kumar is the only existing director who is also a shareholder. Currently, Neha Kumar is both director and shareholder. Vishal Kumar, who is a director previously, but he is not a shareholder now. You can see that. But he is only 25% share. Now I want to know the SIN number of a company. I forget what is the SIN number of a company. I can write SIN. It write the SIN number of a company. I want the vote resolution. Oh, I reached the limit. That is the problem, but let's try. For Abhishek Kumar. Oh. And see, I don't need to provide the name of the company. He used all the ABC Private Limited, SIN number, register orbit, Delhi. I don't need to provide again and again the ABC Private Limited is the company, these are the director, I want to remove him, I want to appoint him. But how this link is created is the main point now. And that is the third stage, the creation. Now you see the solution. You don't need to provide again and again the repetitive data to the chat GPT to perform your task. You just need to create a link. And now we talk about the how to create a link. If it is an existing company, as we can see, if it is an existing company, I create a profile for a easy go. We just need to copy that. Open the chat GPT, paste it once and for all. And we want to retrieve the data, so we do what? It loaded all the data and cut it. We just 3 clicks. The first, click on share. Second, create link. Last, copy link and just paste in your Excel file. But before pasting, click on hyperlink. Edit. Address. Okay. Now, whenever I click this link, it will open the XYZ Private Limited database. As we can see, it opened the XYZ Limited database. Now, if we write who are the directors, he will provide data of XYZ Private Limited. Oh, spelling it wrong. See, it works like that. Its date is different, date of appointment, attached chart. So that's all on my side. Impact, yes, the impact. It will lower the cost, lesser involvement of your employee, and it also relieve you from the rigorous work of doing copying and pasting the things and editing the documents. It will all take at a one step. Thank you. Any question if you want?
My one question is to you is that how would you answer any data risk?
Sir, yes, there is a data risk. If the link gets shared to anyone, he can access to all the files. But these data are already on MCA. If you can go, it is a public data. Everybody can find out by being the BPD.
Any other use case, Vishal, do you think of this?
What, sir?
Any other use case you think of this solution?
Any other use case of this? It will save time, that's it.
No problem.
It is the save time to retrieve the data rather than going from files to files and searching for the files.
Sure.
Okay. Nice. We can go ahead. Ji is there.
Shanai ji? Vishal, you are done?
Yes, sir. I will stop.
Can you stop sharing?